Good afternoon from Rowdy Bear Smoky Mountain Fun Park in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. It's Ryan.
And Brie.
On today's adventure, we're going to go on a ride on their debatable, is it technically a mountain coaster? We're going to count it.
We're going to count it.
Because it looks fun and we've never been on it, but it is their power coaster.
It looks like a mountain coaster, has the same track. Technically, it keeps going if you pull off the throttle, but we're just going to keep it going full throttle anyway.
We're excited to bring you along with us, show you what it's like, and see where it ranks among some other mountain coasters in the area. This is number 11 for us.
Yes.
Out of 12 that we're trying. And then at the end, we're going to determine what is the best coaster in the Smokies. So if you'd like to see what this one is like, come along with us to Rowdy Bear Smoky Mountain Fun Park. I got it.
Power coaster.
Their power coaster. Right over here. Let's go. Check it out.
Let's go.
You can't exceed 440 pounds combined weight or 350 pounds if you are alone. And here is the height requirements to ride this ride. So here at Rowdy Bear Smoky Mountain Fun Park, you can get an unlimited wristband. Gives you an hour of riding this particular coaster we're about to ride. You can also get a park hopper pass. So you can do this along with Rocky Top Mountain Coaster, which was our last coaster, as well as Wild Stallion, which will be our next mountain coaster. We might have to give you a 2-for-1 and try out their ski lift shootout over here on the right as well. We've never been on this, so maybe you'll get a little bonus ride on that after we do the power coaster over here.
You want me to drive or you drive?
can drive.
Okay, I'll drive.
Just be nice.
Okay.
So the driver goes in first. Brie is super excited. We actually get to do a ride together. Where is your controls?
I don't know. Up here.
Oh,
up here.
okay, I see. There's your control up here. So Brie is going to be nice and not go too crazy.
Yes, full speed.
All right, I'm going to sit in here with you. I'm not ready, but I'm ready.
Okay, here you go.
Here we go. Be nice, Brie.
Hold on.
All right. He said if you don't continue to pull, that it will go at 60%. Oh!
100%.
Whoa! Oh! This is great. Are you full speed?
Yes,
Okay. Oh! So this is one of the first of its kind when they first introduced this. I like the little controls you have.
yes.
Oh, look at the view. Oh, you gotta slow down for the view. Oh, slow down for the view. All right, here we go. You can go. You can let it rip. Here we go. Whoa. Whoa. Over the tunnel.
Through the hills.
Whoa! Oh, that was the best part. Oh, that was awesome. Oh,
Release throttle.
okay. We don't want it to be coming in too hot. This is so cool. I've driven by this so many times and I've never been up here. Oh, that was fun.
Do it again, do it again.
Yeah, we got a wristband so we can just ride it again and again and again. That was so much fun. Oh.
That was fun.
Oh yeah.
So
Thank you,
much.
thank you, thank you. Okay, that was a lot of fun. More fun than I thought it was gonna be. I've seen it from a distance. Glad we rode it.
Same.
We're gonna give you our thoughts in a second. We're gonna try the little, what's it called? The ski lift shootout.
This is just for fun.
Yeah, we're
It's
not counting this.
Yeah.
But we have a 1-hour wristband, so we're gonna head over and take advantage of it. This is the time to come. There's not many people here. So if you liked riding that or your kids did, you could just hop right back on and just ride it over and over again. But we want to try the ski lift shootout.
Yes.
So I can beat her real quick. So we'll bring you along with that. Just a little bonus. Let's go check it out.
All right. Okay.
This coming down. I'll have one coming down for you too. There. If you look out to your right, you'll see some snowflakes with little boxes in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
Those little boxes are your targets.
Okay.
You don't have to worry about running out of ammo or reloading or anything like that. The one thing I do recommend is if you hold down on that trigger, does like a nice rapid fire for you.
Okay.
Makes it a little bit easier there.
So my score will be here.
And your score will be on the side of the gun. So you did
Okay.
get a score to see how you did. Each target's going to be worth 500 points.
I just have to beat Ryan, that's all.
That's the only goal.
Yes.
Since you're going first, you can just make up whatever number you want once you get back.
Yeah.
But yeah.
All right.
So all there is to it. You ready there? Enjoy your ride.
All right, thank you.
No worries.
All right, I got to try to get a better score than Brie. Come on, duck hunt. All those years I played, this is where it pays off. Definitely get some height as we go over the power coaster we just rode. I can't tell if I'm hitting anything. I think I am. Coming up to the top. Oh, target's on the right. Oh, a little hard to hit. I hope I'm not getting deducted points for misses. Whoa, this is probably the highest point right here. Whoa, 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 whoa. More targets coming up. Oh, we're high. Oh, whoa, 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 oh, oh, whoa. I can see the end. I only have so many shots left. I gotta make them count. Whoa! Oh! Oh! Oh, I think I got that one. Oh, okay, I hear the little response. Oh.
Welcome back.
Thank you, thank you. That was fun.
No worries. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Oh.
It looks like you got 2,000 points on there.
All right. Yeah, what'd you get? 3,500. Oh, no. Brie beat me. But I had fun. That was a lot of fun.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
I got 2,000. 2,000 is the number to beat if you come here. Brie got 3,500. I was focused on holding the camera.
Excuses, excuses.
All right, we'll come back. We have to have a rematch, but I wanted to show you the photos that they do in here, as they have lots of little stuffed animals in their gift shop and some good treats that you can get in here, like hot dog, nachos, and they make up some good food over here at Rowdy Bear. So I think it's a facial recognition, Brie.
Okay, let's see. Oh, look at that.
Nice.
That's great.
That's the look of a winning shooter there.
I love it.
Oh, that was a lot of fun. That little dip over the tunnel, that was my favorite part.
That was fun. I love these photos.
Yeah, so you can get one with a frame or a digital package, it looks like, for $25. They have somebody's sample photo out here. I'm glad we did it in the spring because they are all bundled up. I think we had some really good weather for doing this today. So we're focusing on their power coaster. We did the ski lift shootout just for fun so you could see what it's like. It's part of your 1 hour wristband. So this one's kind of hard to judge, as a lot of them are, it's just a different type of coaster. Again, the guy I was talking to was saying how it's not technically a mountain coaster, but it is, but it isn't. We're gonna count it. We just wanted to go for a ride. We've never done it, so what'd you think of it?
I really enjoyed it. I thought it was a lot of fun, especially that dip at the end. I like that you can get a wristband and just ride it over and over again. It's not lifting you up and then letting you drop. You just go up and go down and go all around. It does have some really nice views of the mountain. It's just fun. It's short. I think anybody could do it. I like that you can ride together. It's just a fun little coaster. What did you think?
A lot of your favorites are also my favorites too, in the words of Nacho Libre.
Everything you just said is my favorite thing to do.
The one thing I would say that this doesn't have that some of the other coasters we've done is into the woods and just longer in duration. It is a short ride. I think a good 90 seconds, give or take. So some actual roller coasters are much shorter than that, or more in the realm of like 60 seconds. I feel like Big Bear is a little over 60 seconds. Big Bear Mountain over at Dollywood. So I like that you can control the speed on this, whereas some roller coasters you get on, you're at the mercy of that roller coaster. So if you're a little timid, it's a fun little thing that the person can sit either by yourself or you can sit together like we did, which I liked a lot about that. There's all these coasters we've been doing. You're like way up ahead of me or behind me, and we're kind of experiencing the same thing, but apart from each other.
Yes.
So I like this. It was a lot of fun.
Same.
I got to figure out where would I place it though. And again, you do get a wristband so you can do their power coaster, especially if it's not busy. The kids, grandkids could keep hopping on. Like right now, there's hardly any line. So if you're here during a slower time, it's a great time to go and really maximize it, versus if you're here on like a spring break or between Christmas and New Year's when it's slam packed, you might only get so many rides. But they have the power coaster, the ski lift shootout, and a bunch of other activities that you get as part of your 1 hour wristband, or you can pay 10 more bucks and make it a 2 hour wristband. So you don't have to feel as rushed. But all right, we got to look at the list. Okay.
Yeah.
I think I know my number.
Yeah.
All right. So this is coaster number 11 out of 12. We got one more after this. So 1 through 11, where would you rank this? And 3, 2, 1, 7. We're not that far off.
No, not too far off. I was thinking we might be. So.
Okay, yeah, we're pretty good. So you put it. Okay. So
you put it above Hellbender, and I put it behind Hellbender.
Yeah, I do like Hellbender. That is so smooth.
I think you need to come to me.
All right, I'm gonna go up 1 to 8. Sounds like
You're
a good
gonna
number.
go down 1 to 8.
Yeah, not that this is
Hold on, you're going down 1 to 8.
Up, down. Yeah, I'm looking at. I mean, I'm looking up on the list,
Okay,
but
that
down
list has
on the.
to be
Yeah,
all the way
it's got to be your. Okay.
1 is at the top.
Okay.
So you're gonna come down to 8 with me.
I'm gonna come down to 8, and not to say that this is a bad coaster. Even number 12 on the list, we had a fantastic time. But looking at the list, I feel like the more traditional, some of the coasters we've been on, it's hard to bump it above that. But again, this is a whole different experience. You get the wristband, and you can do a lot more than just the one coaster ride. So.
Yeah.
But if I have to judge it on just the coaster ride, I think 8's a fair number.
I think so too.
Out of the list we have.
Yeah.
So we'd love to hear from you. Have you ever been on this coaster? What did you think of it? Would you like to ride it? If you found this video helpful or enjoyable, do us a big favor, simply like the video. It's a great way to support our channel. And then you want to go check out their other more traditional mountain coaster, which we're going to go do next, right up here. So make sure you watch that video and let us know what you think of this one, and we'll determine what's the best mountain coaster in the Smokies. We'll see you over there.
Bye.